guys, Sal here. So a few days ago we saw the hands-on video of the pink or purple variant of the Galaxy Z Flip that showcased the design of the handset for the very first time in a video. If you thought that was it, then you would be very wrong, because we've got two more hands-on videos of the Z Flip that shows the handset in action and also showcases a very noticeable crease in the middle portion of the display. First up, we get to see the phone booting up from a powered off state. One of the defining features of this handset is how you can use this device from any angle. I mean, the phone can stay open at any angle, which is going to be useful in a lot of scenarios. As you can see, you can also play games in this state, which signifies that Samsung has put a lot of thought into making the Z Flip stand out from the competition. The Moto Razr as well as Samsung's own Galaxy Fold cannot do this. So it's going to be a defining feature of the Z Flip, and expect to hear a lot about it at the Unpacked event. Also, here's another video of the handset that shows a noticeable crease in the middle. Samsung is using ultra thin glass for the display, which pretty much explains why the crease is so significant compared to the Galaxy Fold, which basically has a plastic display. Maybe it has to do with the angle. I mean, the video has been taken at an angle. The crease doesn't really appear as pronounced when you are looking head on. Anyway, I hear from the users of the Galaxy Fold that the crease becomes a non-issue after some time, that you don't even realize that it's there, kinda like the notch. So hopefully the same happens with the Z Flip as well. The phone has a 6.7-inch display and the processor is gonna be the Snapdragon 855, not the 855 Plus. It has 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, 3300 mAh battery, and it will be unveiled at the Unpacked event alongside the Galaxy S20. Surprisingly, according to rumors, the phone will go on sale 3 days later on Valentines Day for about $1,400 to $1,500. It makes sense why they want to release this handset on Valentine's Day. Samsung has said a few months ago that this handset is targeted mainly towards females, and Samsung is hoping you would want to give this handset as an expensive gift to your loved ones.
Please say hello to the Galaxy S10 Plus.
Also, we have a detailed hands-on video of the Galaxy Buds Plus that will launch alongside the Galaxy S20. If you pre-order the S20 Plus or the Ultra, you'll get it for absolutely free. The new Buds looks identical to the old one. There are a few noticeable internal changes though, such as a bigger battery that gives 11 hours of playback time compared to 6, 3 microphones instead of 2, and better sound quality. It's a 10-minute video. I'll link it down in the description box below. Do check it out. Of course, with that being said, for all the coverage on the Unpacked event, please consider subscribing. And as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.